little more ice fishing. You can see it's dark. I normally don't get up this early. Last week we get there about 11 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
We're aiming to be there before sunrise. That's when everyone says the bigger fish are caught. We'll find out. Last week we hooked at least 15 of them, landed 9. Some decent ones, but no real big ones. We're gonna go early. See if we get a big fish. We're going out for steelhead and brown trout through the ice on Lake Erie. About 10 minutes to sunrise. All right, Mike. Well, man, we got about 10 minutes to sunrise, and hopefully the fishing's fast and furious. Let's see what we got here. How's it looking, clarity-wise?
Looks like it's clear.
Looks like it's a little cleaner than it was last week, huh?
Yeah.
Did I say any thicker? Put that scoop down, feel the bottom.
Oh yeah.
Quite a bit thicker, huh?
Yep.
All right, man. Let's get in there. Come on, fishy, fishy. Oh, we've been at it about 25 minutes, and we've seen a bunch of trout already cruising our holes. Coming up to check out our baits. They're swimming away. They're not hitting. I don't know why. They're not liking our egg sacks this morning. All right, Mike's got one on. First fish of the day. All right. A little foggy here. Got to get this camera acclimated. All right, man. Nice one, Mike. Start. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I got one. My first fish of the day. If I get him. Whoa, dude,
oh,
that's
a nice better one. Yeah.
That's a nice one, man. Look at that. He's going nuts, Mike. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, he knocked some ice up into my hole.
Oh man.
What's that noise? Is that like an alien spaceship? Hear it? Dude, there's ice in my hole. There's one.
That one's a little better.
Nice one. Dude, I don't know what that noise is. That's weird. I never heard nothing like that. Our first fish of the day. First hit. Mike had a couple hits, missed them. So much for the early morning bite, Mike. You know, we had a couple fish come around in the early morning. They really didn't hit it. Now we've been here a couple hours and the fish just started to turn on. Yeah. Get. There he goes. What's that weird noise, man? I never heard nothing. Seen one that's had your egg sac in his mouth spit it, huh?
Yeah.
They're kind of finicky today. What do you think? It's that east wind?
Yeah, it could be.
Nice one. That's 2 for me. Kind of slow today, huh?
You guys are right behind Paw Patrol.
Yeah. Huh? Nice one.
Nice.
See ya. All right, man. Fish kind of shut down, man. Been about easy over an hour since we had our last bite. We just finally seen a couple trout cruise by. Maybe they're gonna turn back on. Most of the guys left already, though. There's about maybe a dozen guys out here. All right, Mike, just hit one. Oh. Been a while. Close that window, buddy. What is it? All right, Mike's got one coming up. What do you got, Mike? Nah. All right, 4 now. Let's see. You look on our eyes. All right. On the pink. 1.5 without a bite. And Mike just lost one. And no, maybe 10 seconds after he lost that one, another one cruised through and grabbed it. Let's see what you're using here, man. Coho eggs. Some nice calls. We got a bird dam back in late November, early December. Let's see. All right, man. Little hook. All right, let's see. All right, man. Drop it down the hole. Say we're a little deeper. What are we, probably about 12 foot? We can fish it how far under? About 8 foot down, about 4 foot off the bottom?
About 4 foot off the bottom, yeah.
And then drop it down there. Alright, so we bang another one out. Hey, nice to finally get one after all that time, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Let me get back in there. See what he got here. What do you got, man? Rainbow. All right. About time one of us got one. Was that your second one landed today, or?
Yeah, second one landed.
All right. Maybe we're
Last one at the ice broke me off.
Maybe we're gonna turn on, huh?
Yeah, maybe it is. Been a while.
Nice. What's that, on a minnow?
Yep.
Minnow on a tip up. Well, me and Mike are just fishing egg sacks, and what are you fishing, mainly all minnows?
All minnows.
How many hits you had today?
Yeah, 6.
6 bites?
About 6 bites.
Well, who knows? Maybe it's a sign they're gonna move in now. Lake Erie. Well, I guess it don't pay to come out at first light. We probably didn't hit our first fish till at least 9 o'clock. And hooked on to 5 or 6 and landed 4. Now it's about 1 o'clock now. But we're not gonna give up just yet. We wanna get one real big one. We know there's some big ones in here. Finally, 3 hours later, this had one break it off. Mike brought the other rod over, and got another fish. What the hell is it? It's colored up. Not a real big one. Always had one break off, and I told Mike bring the other rod out here. As soon as he dropped down, it's 2 hits in a row. Just lost a decent one right there. After 3 hours out of bite, we got 2 bites. All right, man, let's get all these baits. All right, we set that one back up. Mike lost that fish. So this hole was the 3rd hit out of this hole in the last 20 minutes after 3 hours out of bite. Well, how big is this one, man? Huh? Can we get it?
Don't look too big. Not bad though.
Not bad? Fish is a fish, man. I'm just glad we could hook up with something here. After waiting 3 hours out of bite, we got to land this one. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Come on. Other rod over there, about 40 yards away, slammed to the ice and then released. That's a decent little rainbow. There we go. All right, man. Another one. All right, man.
Not bad.
All that time, we banged out another one. 3 in a row in the last 20 minutes out of this hole. Broke one off, lost one, and finally landed one. See ya. All right, man. About time, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one about 18 inches, 17 inches? Alright, well, end the day on a high note. It's getting a little windy now. Just hooked on the 4 fish here in the last half hour. I broke off a big one. Mike lost one at the hole, landed one, and I got one. Mine's small, but hey, fish is a fish. I was glad to catch up. Tell you what, man, not too many guys were getting fish today. See, one guy had one, another old guy had 2 of them, but most guys we talked to didn't get any, you know?
Yeah.
wasn't too bad. Hooked 10 of them, landed 6. Lost one real big one. It's nice to get out and catch some fish. My brother stopped on the way home, check out Lake Erie, somewhere near the mouth of Cattaraugus. So there's a bunch of guys out there pulling in walleyes and perch, big jumbo 14, 15-inch Lake Erie perch, some nice walleyes in the 4 to 10 pound range. So maybe that might be our next trip. Maybe Chautauqua Lake, doing pretty good on walleye there this year, but nice to get out. I might have to hit the crappie later in the season. Usually late ice is best for the crappie. I know they're getting some on Chautauqua Lake now, but the better fishing will be in the late ice. Who knows, maybe later we'll hit the boat harbor at the end of the ice season. That's when the big perch and crappie start coming in small boat harbor. It was just nice to get out, and we caught some fish. Until next time, see ya.
See ya.